Hey everyone, let's talk about catalytic converters. If your Honda S2000 has an intermittent rattling sound coming from the catalytic converter while idling, there is a good chance that your catalytic converter is broken. As the catalytic converter ages and wears, the internal honeycomb will eventually break loose and begin making a rattling sound like this. Once this begins, it won't take too long for a check engine light to appear, reporting a problem with the secondary oxygen sensor. This is because the loose internal honeycomb has a funny tendency to want to decapitate your secondary oxygen sensor. My oxygen sensor hadn't met its fate yet, but as you can see, it got smashed up pretty badly. If this happens to you, you'll have to replace not only the catalytic converter, but the secondary oxygen sensor as well. The good news is that there are several ways to fix this problem without breaking the bank. For replacement secondary oxygen sensors, you have a few options. If you feel like throwing money away, you can buy a brand new OEM sensor directly from Honda for about $250. Another option is to buy the same brand new OEM sensor directly from the OEM instead of Honda. This will run you about $100 and is sure to make you feel warm and fuzzy inside. If you want to save even more money, a used OEM sensor will run you about $50. Lastly, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money possible, you can get an aftermarket oxygen sensor for as little as $13 shipped on eBay. For replacement catalytic converters, you have a few options as well. Again, if you feel like burning money, you can buy a brand new OEM catalytic converter directly from Honda for a whopping $1,200. Another option is to buy an aftermarket replacement for about $300. For a little bit less, you can get an aftermarket high-flow catalytic converter, which will get you most of the benefits of running a test pipe without, running a test pipe. These cost around $250. If you want to save even more money, a good used OEM catalytic converter will run you about $100. Although technically not a true replacement for a catalytic converter, you could purchase a test pipe for about $75. Running a test pipe won't reduce any harmful gases like a catalytic converter, but it will allow for significant performance gains. I picked up an aftermarket oxygen sensor and a used OEM catalytic converter for about $120 total. I feel comfortable using a cheap oxygen sensor because I know that the secondary oxygen sensor is simply used to gauge the efficiency of the catalytic converter, and it isn't used to adjust fuel trims like the primary oxygen sensor is. As usual with my experiments, if the CR blows up, I'll let you know. I hope this video clarifies this issue for S2000 owners out there. If you've encountered it and solved this problem yourself, comment down below with a solution that worked out for you.